By now, you've most likely heard about minimalism, from Netflix documentaries and YouTube videos to pioneers like Steve Jobs and his nearly empty home. More and more people are deciding that less is truly more. Alright, so over the years, I've really become more conscious of the things I buy, although I'm not still quite as minimalist as I would love to be. What I have started doing, however, is started to focus on buying quality pieces that I really love, even if that means buying the same shirt 10 times in different colors. How often do you struggle to find the right thing to wear just to put on your favorite sweats? Or letting your laundry pile up so high, you then have to do 5 loads of laundry at once? Or what about those items that sit in the back of your closet and still have the tags on? What if I told you that you could end all of that? Hey beautiful people, it's Courtney, and this past month I decided to see what it was like to have a minimalist wardrobe for 30 days. After all, I realize I often gravitate towards the same exact outfit and wear it over and over again. Take for example this very plain black comfy workout outfit that I wear when I'm traveling, I wear when I'm working out, I wear outdoors. I pretty much just wear it all the time. And apparently I'm not the only one. You guys said you like to wear your favorite outfits at least 1 to 3 times a week and typically stick to, again, basic comfy outfits. So how much simpler would life be if you just had 7 of your favorite outfits and wore them again and again every single week? That's what I decided to do this past month, and I picked out 24 pieces of things that I could wear within 1 week. So this include everything from pajamas to pants, tops, jackets, and workout clothes. And I decided to see what it was like. So here are the pieces that I picked out. 2 different sets of pajamas, 1 pair of workout shorts that can double as lounge shorts, 2 leggings, one that's a bit softer and comfier and one that's more of a workout material, 2 pairs of sweatpants that can be for working out or lounging around, 1 darker pair of jeans that are skinny jeans and can be dressed up a little bit, and also a lighter pair of mom jeans that are more comfy. 2 tank tops, the one on the left can be for working out and the one on the right can be a little bit more dressy, a more casual t-shirt on the left and a bit dressier one on the right that's a little bit nicer material, 2 long sleeve tops that are both from Zara and can be dressed up, down, or used for working out, a nicer long sleeve blouse on the left, and then of course a much more casual one on the right. 2 sweaters, of course the one on the left is a bit dressier and can be dressed up or down, the one on the right is a little more casual and for at home. 1 pullover sweater, 1 jean jacket, 1 bomber jacket, a heavier light colored coat, and my go-to thick, cozy black coat. For this challenge, I decided to pick very neutral colors that I can mix and match them together and create multiple different outfits from the same items. That being said, some of the pairings were very questionable, and it was definitely not my most fashionable moments, to say the least. Especially towards the end of the week when sometimes I ran out of options and didn't plan ahead. I didn't wear this yet this week, and I didn't wear this either. But those are what we're left with, so definitely time for some laundry. Another thing I also kept in mind when I was picking out these pieces was the weather. I actually thought it'd be a little bit warmer than it turned out to be, and the weather did play a huge role in this. It's 20 degrees outside today, and this is what I had left to wear. I do have my big warm coat, so I think I'll be okay today going out, but this is just not ideal. That being said, it's also laundry day because if this weather keeps up, I cannot keep on with this. And then something else I also wanted to be able to do was have the option to put together a nice outfit a few times over the month. Obviously, we're not traveling or doing a lot of cool things right now, but even still going out to dinner or running errands, I wanted to look nice and put together. Most of the time when I'm at home, it doesn't really matter. But when I went out, I was really happy I was able to put together some decent outfits out of just basics, and I was kind of able to dress them up and feel a little bit nicer and just just put together. Andy and I are about to go out and have a little date, a little day out, run some errands, and this was the only suitable thing I had to wear unless I wanted to wear like leggings or something. It made my choice really simple, but I mean, just a very basic outfit, but I think it looks fine. All right, there we go. I kind of feel too cool for school with this bomber, but we're doing it. This is the outfit of the day. So when I picked out these items, I knew I wasn't going anywhere too fancy, so I didn't have to worry about really dressy items. But if we weren't in the middle of a pandemic, that definitely would have played a role, and I would have liked to have at least one like really nice outfit that I could wear for nicer occasions. For the most part, what I stick to was just basic comfy clothes, because when I'm at home, unless I'm filming like today, I really don't get dressed up whatsoever. Now, I've always really wondered what it was like to just have a basic capsule wardrobe. So let's talk about what I liked and what I didn't like so much during this month. So the number one thing that I absolutely loved was that this really helped me stay on top of my laundry. I did laundry every week on the dot, where normally my laundry days just stretch out further and further, and I'm left with like 4 to 5 to even 6 sometimes loads of laundry, which is just insane. It takes all day, sometimes it takes 2 days, but with this, it really just kept me focused on task because I ran out of clothes. I had no other options, so it forced me to do the laundry. All right, it's laundry day. This is what we have left. One pair of shorts that I did not wear because it's still very, very cold. And quite a few tops. Got 4 tops left, so maybe if I had another pair or 2 of pants, would have been better. I did wear both of these jackets, and of course, like big jackets like this don't have to be washed every time, so those are still there. So this is really what I did not wear. It was so nice. I could do 1 or 2 loads and be done, and it was quick to fold, put away, and everything was just really, really simple. So I loved that it forced me to stay on top of my laundry, and that was my all-time favorite thing about this challenge. Now, I feel like almost the entire point of having a minimalist wardrobe is to reduce your time getting ready in the morning. Now, I did feel like this made my decision-making process a lot simpler in the morning. However, there was a bit of a caveat because I wasn't just able to not think about it entirely. Otherwise, I was left with some funky pairings at the end of the week. Like, all I would have would be a dressy top and green leggings that made no sense to match them together. So this is where it makes a little bit more sense to just have the same exact item, maybe just a black t-shirt or a black tank top, and have 10 of them and have the same type of pants, or maybe a couple different pants that they would all match with, because I did still have to think about matching certain things, which unless you're like Steve Jobs and wear the same thing every single day, then you do still have to think about this. But it did save some time. I knew that I enjoyed all these pieces, so I didn't mind wearing any of them. If I were to redo this, what I would do is wear these Zara tops. I absolutely love them, especially for this time of year. I feel warm enough inside, and I could layer them with a jacket outside, and I feel like I could dress them up, dress them down. They're soft enough to wear where they feel very comfortable to wear, and I could also wear them to work out. So I really love these tops. They're nice quality, and I feel like if I just had a pair of jeans and some leggings, they would all match, it would all be fine, and that would really reduce my time. So I think that would be my true go-to outfit, at least for the winter time. Another thing I really enjoyed about this challenge was getting some good wear out of my clothes. So one specific example of this is this nice neutral silky top. I wore it several times going out, and I also wore it several times at home for when I was filming my actual videos, because I do like to look a little more put together for my videos. So I actually wore this top more than I have in this entire past year. So I felt like I actually got some really good use out of it. So I was happy with that. Now for the things that I didn't love so much. Number one was definitely my choice in some of these pieces. Now that I have done this, I could definitely reevaluate, and it would help me create a better capsule wardrobe. So for example, I didn't wear this tank top a single time, nor did I wear these shorts a single time. So I definitely would have got rid of those. I think it's definitely just because of the weather right now. It's just too cold to wear that. Another thing I would have gotten rid of was my denim jacket, because I realized I didn't have a ton of pant choices to wear this with. So the only pants I could really wear this with were my black leggings, unless I wanted a full-on denim moment, which I didn't. I also didn't have enough comfy clothes for my liking. I wish I would have chosen more sweatshirts or sweaters versus jackets. I probably could have done with just 2 jackets instead of 4, because I found that I was stuck a lot of days wearing thick, big jackets inside just to be a little bit warmer, because all I had on was a t-shirt. So I would have liked to have maybe 2 more sweaters, and I could have got rid of 2 of the jackets just to have more options for working at home and being inside and being nice and cozy. Overall, I am so glad I tackled this challenge. I've always wondered if I would enjoy a minimal wardrobe, and to answer the question, would I enjoy this? The answer is I could do it, but I wouldn't love it. Day to day, for my comfy, basic work clothes from home, I would love it. The problem comes in when anytime I want to go out to dinner, maybe meet up with some friends, or have just a nicer thing to go to. I like having different options. I like putting together different outfits. I didn't love all my choices as much as I thought I would, but it helped me narrow down what I do really enjoy to wear. And I think it made me reevaluate what I buy, because I don't want to buy something just to wear one time and then shove it in the back of my closet to never be seen again. So I did gain some insight into what I enjoy and what I don't like so much from this challenge, and what's necessary and what's not so necessary. But I always wanted to do this, so I am glad to have completed it, and now I am glad to be wearing something different for today. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Let me know if you could ever have a capsule wardrobe. Let me know if this inspired you to maybe try this for a week or for a month. There are definitely some things from it that I will continue to do and continue to stick with, like staying on top of my laundry. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you found today's video entertaining, maybe a little insightful, and I will talk to you all next Saturday. Bye.